All right, revised entertainment center. 12 and a quarter off the right wall. The inside height is 16 inches for the subwoofers. You said two on the right. These are doors, one behind each door, and these would be white speaker cloth. Two doors here. One subwoofer on this side. These are drawers. We lowered this thing down significantly. This red box represents the alcove, that niche for the component wire. So the top of the cabinet's 19 and a half. We'll have 3/4 of an inch on top of that for the wood top, and the toe kick is 4 inches tall. So 24 and a quarter from the finished floor to the top. To make sure that clears, our cabinet height now is 68 9/16, and we've got 90 inches in between. And these upper cabinets are 14 inches deep, and these base cabinets are about 2 feet. So this front edge of this countertop will come out almost 26 inches. So let me know if this works, if we need to tune it in. But this should work with the subwoofers. Plenty of room for a sound bar underneath here. I don't know, maybe if we wanted to split these into two shallower drawers, let me know. Thanks.